This is My name is Molina, and this is the biology role model project. And well, I decided to name my slideshow my scientific role model, Dr. Nishal P. Shah. This is a bit of an overview of the presentation that we will be doing. Um, Nothing too crazy. It's nice. So we'll start off with his personal life. Dr. Nishal P. Shah. It was a little difficult finding information about Nishal's personal life and his hobbies, but he is married and he does have one child. And I found that he does have a bit of an interest in photography. Before coming to the US, Dr. Shah completed his bachelor's and master's degrees in electrical engineering at the Indian Institute of Technology in 2013. And then he came over to the US as a PhD candidate from 2013 to 2020 at Stanford University, and now has completed um, his research and all the things he has to do, and is now a postdoctoral researcher at Stanford University. This is sort of the current research that he is doing, retinal prosthesis and motor prosthesis. For the retinal, our primary aim is to restore vision in individuals suffering from retinal degeneration by electrically stimulating the remaining layers of the retina, specifically the retinal ganglion cells, RGCs, at single cell resolution. And with the motor prosthesis, our goal is to enable neural decoding of rapid and dexterous movements such as those of multiple fingers. I wanted a bit more, I went a little bit deeper with the retinal research just because I thought I had a little bit of a personal connection due to me being a user of glasses and contacts, which has affected me in, just in my personal vision, the cost of contacts and all of that. So I took a bit of an interest in his research in the RGCs. So a little bit of a deeper dive. It's nothing too deep, but first I wanted to know what were the RGCs that he was working on, and the retinal ganglion cells are specialized projection neurons that relay an immense amount of visual information from the retina to the brain. The aim is to figure out how to make a prosthesis that can convert the visual stimuli into electrical impulses, essentially an artificial retina. This was a article that he was a part of, and that figure is actually part of the results. And the article was called "Inferring Light Responses of Primate Retinal Ganglion Cells Using Intrinsic Electrical Signatures." First, the researchers identified on-parcel and off-parcel retinal ganglion cell types based off their electrical activity in large-scale surroundings from the macaque retina. Then, they used the infrared location of each cell, its cell type, and average model parameters to create a light response model for each cell. Cited et al. 2023. And so it's a little abrupt, but that was my conclusion of my biology role model project. And I was a little bit on edge about if I should continue with this scientist because, well, he has degrees in electrical engineering and not necessarily biology, but I really had a nice, like, good interest on him just because of that retinal part and how he's doing research and trying to like help people make that regain their vision and have a better life, because I don't believe it was abrupt visual impairment, but like once again it's like the degeneration of like those specific cells. So I just wanted to include him because I think what he's doing is quite important. Thank you. And that is it for my biology role model project.